This is actually the video which I've promised to give out, and this is going to show the proof of how I made 43k on WhatsApp, 43,000 naira on WhatsApp, which is close to, let's just say now, by now it's like $100 plus. So I know that might sound a little bit low, but if you could maximize this, you can even make more than that. You get what I'm saying? Just using your WhatsApp. So it's very, very beautiful. At least it brings income daily. So on the next scene, on the next video, you're going to see the proofs of how, that is how the income, how the proofs of alerts, you get what I'm saying, how they came in. And this like a method that has been working since 2017. Since 2007, that should be like 5 to 4 years now. So please stay tuned and watch it. Thank you. Back. I have to show you guys this thing. Do you understand? Now, if you want to make money through WhatsApp, let me show you a proof of how I made 32,000 naira in 2 days on the 3rd January 2018 and on the 4th. You can see it. Do you understand? 2,000 naira. If you calculate all these amounts now, it is if you calculate all those amounts, it is 32,000 naira in total. I hope you get. So I am running a group seminar. I do run seminar, or if you want one-on-one training about it, I hope you get. So these are the screenshots, more screenshots of it. Do you understand? So I run a group seminar on it, how to make money on WhatsApp. Then within 10 days, I teach you, you're going to make money. Do you understand? So if you're interested, you could WhatsApp me on this number that I'm going to type 09039737356. Do you understand? You can WhatsApp me on that number or call me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am Ayotolani Oladapo Kusonya. Bye.